Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Brother DCP-L2531DW printer driver download and installations. So guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type like desk, okay, name and then after that driver. Then first link, this is support.brother, this official website, so click on it. Then you can see different OS also there, Mac, Linux, mobile and Windows. So select the Windows, select the Windows 11, Windows 10 32-bit and 64-bit also there. So this is all operating system installations process same like Windows 11. So you can see this video and install it if you are using Windows 10 30 and 64-bit. Okay, then click to OK. After that you can see this is a full driver with the software, means this is a with software pack, and this is a printer and scanner USB, means you can scan also there. Okay, so click to download it, scroll down, click to download, agree and download. After that it will start downloading. Okay, 42.5 MB size. After that click on this locations where it is downloaded, it will open this and just right click to open it. After that it will create new folder on same location. So you can see this is your printer driver. Now this is printer driver is downloaded. Now try to install the printer, but before that you have to turn on your printer and connect to your desktop laptop to via printer USB cable. Then click to start and then setting, then click Bluetooth and device and printer and scanner, and then click to add device, and it will show manual option within 5 seconds. So click to add manual, then select the last printer network with the manual setting, click to next, then click to have disk, then click to browse, go to these locations where it is downloaded, download. So this is, then open it. Now select this file .inf file, then next, then open it, then click to OK. After that your printer it will show here DCP-L2531. So 2531 printers come in this series. Okay, select this and then next. Now this is printer is installing, so it is installed, then next, finished. So you can see this is your printer is installed. Then guys, before the printing you have to restart your printer and your desktop laptop which is are you connected. Okay, and then you can print. And one more thing guys, if you want to share on network, so click to printer property. Okay, printer property, and then click to sharing. So check this both, if unchecked it, check it, then click to security, then select everyone, then click to advance. So this is everyone, and double click on it. Otherwise you can click to edit, then click show permissions and check the all, and then OK, apply and then OK, and then OK. Now this printer is shared on your network. Thank you guys.